Here's some units at a complex. Here's a thermal zone. Air conditioner. 2015 2-ton. Nice little guy. Here we have another one. There's blackberry bushes. Same year, same tonnage, I believe. Oof. This seems hard to get past. And over there's an American Standard. There's this newer American Standard right here. 2019 3-ton. I believe it's a straight cool. I believe all these units are straight cools, and it looks like it has an LG scroll. Yeah, I think so. There's new stones right here. And up over here is a York. Or Luxor, actually. Oh, Fraser Johnston LX series. Looks like it has a Bristol recip. It's a 3-ton from 2013. There's another one it looks like in a Goodman. And some more. Not sure what these could have replaced. 3-ton from 2013. Tall Goodman. These are all straight cools. Ooh, got kind of smashed in right there. It's like an older one. Not sure. It's a 2010 5-ton GSX13. And here's another American Standard, small one. LG scroll, it looks like. Or Alliance. 2018 2.5-ton. Standard silver 14. And here's probably an American, nope, Trane XB. And a Lennox. It's got a Alliance skull, orange Alliance skull. Got dinged up right here too. 2007 3-ton. I was kind of hoping these would all be heat pumps. This one's up on legs. Lennox Merit series, 4 blades. This might also have an LG scroll. Whoops. 2.5-ton from 2015. Alright. There's an XB13. Alright. Thanks for watching.